Look at that, it burned. It got so hot. Wow, look at that. Yep, you can see that rust. So I'm gonna replace. I guess I'm gonna cut a piece off and see, make it a little bit longer. And I said, all right. So the symptoms of a battery, a corroded or a battery cable is because when I my battery light came on, I went to check to see if this was tight. See if it's getting it. You can see my finger. I went like that, and I burned my finger. So, all right, we finna go ahead and let it cool down. And you can see I did that about a month ago. It's a video on that. I'll send you a link to that video. So, I guess I should have done both of them at the same time, but that negative was in bad shape. So, all right.